Hi, this is Deputy Chief Henry Watson with the Newbern Fire Rescue in Newbern, North Carolina. In this segment, we're going to discuss the proper location to store your fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers should be stored in a location that it can be easily retrieved in an emergency. Choose a location where the fire extinguisher can be readily available in a moment's notice. Fire extinguishers should be located in areas where you feel the most likelihood of having a fire. The kitchen, the living room, if you have a wood stove or a fireplace, or in your garage where you locate your car or you have a hot water heater. The fire extinguisher can be located to the nearest outside door of your home. It can be located in a cabinet or countertop area. Fire extinguishers should not be located under the kitchen sink behind all the cleaning products. Finally, remember to have proper training before you attempt to use a fire extinguisher.